One thing that is very important for safety in off-road riding is tire pressure. But not all bikes have sensors built in, and I think I found a solution. Hi, my name is Dennis and welcome to the channel. Here I do motorcycle reviews, gear reviews and gadget reviews. In this video we will be unboxing and reviewing the Fobo Tire Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS. I have to be honest up front, I received the system at no cost but was asked to do an honest review. The video consists of 5 sections. Why would you buy a TPMS sensor system? The unboxing, the installation, the app, pros and cons, and conclusion. So let's dive in. So on my GS and the most expensive adventure bikes out there, they all have a tire pressure monitoring system built in, but not every bike has this option. First, the obvious question, why should you buy one? The main thing is safety. Having low or high tire pressure could cause a flat or an exploding tire, which could lead to serious injury. Second, the handling. Having the incorrect tire pressure will seriously decrease the handling capabilities of the bike. Have you ever ridden a motorcycle with deflated tires? Last but not least, but when you're off-roading, you want to have different tire pressure depending on the type of road you are riding. My GS and my RT has built-in TPMS sensors, but my Ducati and my Moto Guzzi doesn't, so this could be a solution. Okay, let's do a big unboxing montage. For installation you have 2 options. You can choose to remove the tire, put on the lock nut underneath the rim and install the TPMS sensor, and the TPMS sensor can't be stolen. You can also choose to only install the TPMS sensor and take the risk of someone stealing it. In my case, I'm taking the risk. Okay, the app. The TPMS sensor works with an app. Some of the sensors out there work with an extra screen or an extra monitoring system, but I wanted to have one with an app because I always have my phone with me and I want my handlebar as clutter-free as possible. So looking at the app, it does what it's supposed to do. Installation is pretty simple. You can set the parameters if you want, and yeah, there's one thing that I don't like about the app, and that's the design. I think it could be a bit better because if you look at the design of the device itself, it's really modern and looks really cool. But the app, yeah, it needs some work. Let's keep it at that. But I do think it does what it needs to do and it works fine. So last, pros and cons. After using it for a while, I made up a list of pros and cons of this device, and I hope this will give you a better understanding of the system. So the pros are, you can use it with an app, the looks of the device itself, having the option to use it on multiple bikes, and this should not be a pro, but I've tested it and compared it with a normal tire pressure reader and the pressure is correct. Okay, cons. The app, as I said, the looks of the apps are not great, and also the cost of this device is around 100 euros. But if you use the code ROMOTOR, you get 5% discount, and yeah, it saves a bit. Overall, I'm really happy with the system. It does what it's supposed to do, works great on both my bikes, and it's accurate. So if you're looking for a monitoring system like this, I can recommend it. If you shop at the link in my description and you use the code ROMOTOR, you will get a 5% discount. I hope this video was useful for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.